film, TV and entertainment. 1896, first film to be exhibited in India, on the 7th of July, with the Lumiere Brothers Cinematography, unveiling 6 silent short films at the Watson's Hotel in Bombay, entry of Cinematographe, the sea bath, arrival of a train, a demolition, ladies and soldiers on wheels and leaving the factory. 1902, music record was recorded by Gauhar Jaan singing a khayal in Raag Jogiya, recorded on the 2nd of November, by Fred Gaisberg, assistant to Emile Berliner, the father of the gramophone record. 1913, silent film to be made in India, Raja Harishchandra, by Dadasaheb Phalke and released on the 3rd of May. 1913, actress of Indian cinema, Durgabai Kamat in Mohini Bhasmasur, released in November, second movie of Phalke. 1931, sound film, Alam Ara directed by Ardeshir Irani. 1937, Government Award for Films, Bengal Film Journalists Association Awards. 1937, color film, Kisan Kanya, directed by Moti B. Gidwani. 1946, Palme d'Or at 1946 Cannes Film Festival, Neecha Nagar, directed by Chetan Anand. 1954, National Film Award for Cinema, Shamchi Ai. 1955, film to attract international critical attention, Pather Panchali. 1957, Oscar nomination for Best Foreign Language Film, Mother India. 1959, film to be banned, Neel Akash Nichi, directed by Mrinal Sen. 1959, CinemaScope film, Kagaz Ke Phool, directed by Gurudutt. 1960, first actor to win an International Film Award, Sivaji Ganesan for Veerapandiya Kattabomman. 1964, Guinness Book of World Records in the category, fewest actors in a narrative film, Yadin directed and acted by Sunil Dutt. 1967 is to 70 film, Hindi film around the world. 1969, Dadasaheb Phalke Award recipient, Devaka Rani. 1982, Oscar winner, Bhanu Athi for Best Costume Design for the film Gandhi. 1984, 3D film, My Dear Kuttichatan, a Malayalam film, produced in 1984, dubbed in Hindi as Chhota Chetan. 1984, sponsored TV serial, Hum Log, started on the 7th of July, was also the first soap opera of India, ran for 156 episodes. 1985, Audra des Arts et des Lettres, director, Mrinal Sen. 1987, first film to shoot underwater, Kannada movie Ondu Mettina Kathe, was the first Indian movie to be shot underwater in Maldives. 1992, Oscar for Lifetime Achievement, Satyajit Ray. 1992, Indian filmmaker to get Bharat Ratna, Satyajit Ray. 1995, Audra des Arts et des Lettres, actor, Sivaji Ganesan. 1997, K.S. Chitra honoured by the British Parliament at House of Commons in United Kingdom. 2004, colorized film, Mughal-e-Azam in 2004. 2004, Audra des Arts et des Lettres, actress, Sharmila Tagore. 2006, film screened at the United Nations, Lage Raho Munna Bhai, on the 10th of November, directed by Rajkumar Hirani. 2008, actor to enact most roles, Kamal Haasan in Disavatharam. 2009, music director to win an Oscar and first double Oscar winner, A.R. Rahman for Slumdog Millionaire. 2009, actress to enact most roles, Priyanka Chopra in What's Your Rashi? 2016, first Indian editor who got recognized by Avid Editors, Ga Gautam.